Today, we will be testing a momentum trend following strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a momentum trend following strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 512 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a momentum trend following strategy. The source video says momentum trading hack, turn pennies into profits, easy and free. And so of course we're going to put this strategy to the test and see what we can get out of it. And so what we'll do is just hide the two indicators we have on screen. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the super trended RSI. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and we'll jump into the settings. And what we're going to do is change this length right here to 50. Then jump into the styles, uncheck the RSI, the overbought, the oversold, the crossover, down and cross under up. And under the inputs tab where we change it to 50, you can make these more vibrant green and red if you wish. Totally up to you. Go ahead and click OK. And the next indicator we will add to the screen. And the next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Tilson T3 indicator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And again, we will jump into the settings and you'll change this period right here to 50, and everything else stays on the default settings. I think I switched these also to a more vibrant green and more vibrant red. Then go ahead and click OK. Before we take a look at a few trade setups, I'd like to introduce our newest partner. This is Will from Will Trades. He is a very talented and profitable futures and prop firm trader. With over 6 years of experience, every single morning, he is helping his Discord team become just as profitable as he is. Each morning for his entire Discord team, he points out the key levels where he is looking to take the trades for the day. Not only does he call out those key levels for everybody on the Discord, but he calls out exactly when he is taking those trades in real time. So everyone on Discord can take those trades in real time side by side with him as he is calling those out. And just to show you what is possible when you join his Discord, I've been going through the profits that is posted by his team every single day. You can get a risk-free 5-day free trial when you sign up using the link down below in my description. And when you use that link down below in the description, not only will you get access to Will's Discord, but you'll also get access to the Academy of Forex Discord absolutely free with all the benefits, including the free trial to our indicator that comes with joining that Discord. Alright, so for a short trade setup, what we are looking for is we are looking for the super trend or super trended RSI to switch from the green color to a red color like this here. It's kind of hard to see. I wish it was easier. We'll kind of zoom in like this. Here you see it switches from the green to the red like here. And then we're going to look at the Tilson T3 indicator, and we want it to be a red line like this here. And once those line up, that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. We'll put our trade here. We're going to put our stop just right above this little pivot right here. And we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. and you can see a really nice drop to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is we are looking for the super trend to switch from that red color to the green color. It's again hard to see, but you can see the switch right here. We then want to look to the T3 indicator, and we want it to have a green colored line like here. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a long. We'll put our trade there, put our stop just right below this pivot area, and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. Alright, this one takes just a little bit longer, but you can see that we get this nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we got 16 winning trades and 34 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 32% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $9,600. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown or total loss would have been $13,600. That means that your total profit and loss would have been negative $4,000. So definitely not turning pennies into profits on this one. Now, during the same period of time, we did 41 trades altogether with the Academy of Forex indicator, and we had an 82% win rate and a total gain right at $20,000. So definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90%, and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.